This video is all about making moves. You know, I know a lot of people are going through tough times, and you know, I hear a lot of complaints like, oh, I haven't used the gym, I haven't been able to do that, and those just sound like just a lot of excuses to me. You know, just because you can't use the gym and can't lift heavy weights, that doesn't mean you still can't work out. You know, some of you have a lot more time on your hands, so maybe use that time. Maybe if you weren't exercising before, maybe this might be a time. You know, instead of just watching Netflix all day and ordering takeout, you know, maybe make some moves. You know, maybe try something you haven't had time to do before. You know, maybe learn how to cook. It might be a good time, you know. Or maybe pick up a new skill, a new hobby. Maybe there was always something you wanted to try, you just were too busy, never had the time. This might be the time, you know, to try something new, maybe read some books. I see a lot of people complaining, oh, I haven't gotten haircuts in a long time. Maybe try to learn how to cut hair, you know, learn a new skill. You know, if you mess up, it's not like we're going out anyway, you put a hat on. But what I'm trying to say is, instead of all the complaints and I've just been sitting home all day, maybe use that time wisely, you know, start making moves and try to be more productive, you know, getting things done. Maybe there was always things that you wanted to do, you just never had time for. You know, now's a good time to really start making some moves and improving your life. And not just money-wise, but maybe just quality time, you know, spending time with your family. Maybe just spending some more time with your pets, maybe some more time with your family, or maybe just doing you know, spending some more time on some of the things that you wanted to do. Maybe drawing, could be gardening, could be learning a new skill, could be photography. As for me, I love to dance. I really enjoy working out. I like making and editing videos and working on my YouTube channel. So even if I'm not getting paid for that, it's just something I really enjoy doing, a hobby of mine. I hope you've been liking the content. If you do, please support, give me a like. And for more, subscribe. I love animals as well. That's why I sneak my cat in there every now and then when I can. So if you've been enjoying the content and what you see, please support and enjoy. Try some of the moves, learn a new skill, and I hope everybody's kind of staying active and happy, and yeah. Thank you for taking this time and just listening to me rant. If you like some of my videos, please hit the like button. Maybe subscribe to the channel. More videos coming out, fitness related, dance related, how-to videos, and just, you know, just things I'm passionate about. This channel always changes. I'm always mixing it up. I'm just kind of doing what I feel at the moment is right. I'm maybe not teaching as much, so I'm focusing on more instructional type of stuff for now. Maybe once things go back to normal, I'm just gonna focus more on vlogging or just different things, trailers and stuff like that. So if you're enjoying the channel, press that like button. Maybe hit up the comments, anything you want to see, and just stay tuned. Subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned.